Hey, this is Evan from ABC Power Tools, and today we're going to show you how to winterize your machine. So, winterizing is just another word for storing your machine over a long period of time. So, if you live in a part of the world where there's winter, then usually for a trimmer or anything like that, or even lawnmowers or anything, over the winter, you're not using those units. Or if you live in somewhere where there's no winter, and you have a chainsaw, for example, and you want to store it for like a year or something, you're not going to use it, then this is how you do that. So it's pretty simple. It's just a quick video that we're going to show you here. So if you mix your gas with gas station gas, then you shouldn't leave your gas in there for more than a month to 6 weeks or so. So the first thing you ought to do is just open up your gas tank, and you just take a bucket or something like this. You just drain your gas. Just dump it out. Dump it out completely. And then you can just put it on full choke and give it a start as well, or just to fire, just to get the gas out of the machine. So you can just like that, just to get the gas completely out of the system. And then, so you can store it just like this, and you can winterize it like that. Or the best thing to do, if you want to have another extra precaution there, is you can put some 50-to-1 alkaline-based fuel in there. So either Moto Mix from Steel or Aspen works as well. Make sure there's no ethanol in there. And you just fill it up like your full tank or a quarter tank with this stuff. And you just give it another run through for another 30 seconds or so, just so that all of this stuff is all the way through the machine. And then you can store it like that with this stuff, because this stuff has a shelf life of about 2 years or so. And that's how you winterize or store your steel machine. So thanks for watching, and you can give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment down below and let us know what you want to see next video. So thank you.